I can remember the very first time I bought some mahogany. It was 3 boards. They were 8-quarter. I put them on top of my little Volkswagen Bug, and drove them home. And I was so proud, man. I was like, man, I'm big time now using mahogany. Things have grown. And you know, going from building surfboards and kayaks in my kitchen, now today I took a delivery, 500 board feet of mahogany and 1,000 board feet of birch to add to the other 1,000 board feet we already have. So we got 2,000 board feet of yellow birch, 500 board feet of mahogany, plus all our specialty woods, plus all our common woods that we just, that rack was full last week, full. So it's pretty cool, you know, just looking back at from where you started to where you've landed. I'm happy.